you want to create a 3D cartoon movie like this,
cherished animals: Lola the cow, Brownie the dog, Henny the hen, and Goosey the...
with the help of some free AI tools, and earn more than $2,000 to $3,000 per month, make sure you watch this step-by-step tutorial till the end and make the best out of this tutorial. If you're excited, let's begin. Step 1. Create a story. For this, if you have your own story ready, then you may skip this part. Otherwise, go to the link given in the description for app.VAGPE.com and sign up with your Gmail or email account. Once you sign up, this is the dashboard where in the left hand side, you'll have to go to this filmmaking tools option. You will get 3 options. You can go to the movie trailer scriptwriter. Since I am making it for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to make a short film. For me, it is fantasy film. Now you will have to identify how many seconds or minutes you want the trailer to last. For me, it is 30 seconds. You will have to give an outline of your story. So I have pasted my story and go to create content option. You should always copy this story from here and paste it in a Word file and change at least 20 to 25% of the story. We will be creating the images for the story, right? So for this, I will go to AI image generation option. You will have to enter the script which you have copied and then create content. Step 2, creating the AI images for the story. For this, we will be using Leonardo.Ai. I will be giving the link in the description. Now you'll have to go to launch app option or create an account option. So once you log into your account, the dashboard will look like this. Now let us move forward to create the image. So I will go to this AI image generation option. Now here we will have to paste those image prompts. I will be copying this image prompt, paste the prompt here in the prompt section. Now here we will be selecting 3D animation style. After that you can select up till 4 images. I am selecting 2 for the time being. And from here, I will be selecting the wide range ratio and generate. So I have got my first 2 images. If you like any of these images, all you need to do is click on the images, it will get enlarged. Now you can smooth upscale or you can crisp upscale. There are 2 options here and then you can download it from this option. So after upscaling, it is looking a lot better. So I can go ahead and download the image. Like this, all these images I have created. Now while you are creating a story, you need to keep your characters consistent. So whenever there will be a name Luna in your story, this Luna's face should resemble. For that, go to this upload image option and upload your Luna's image, this one. I have given a name, a unique name to the character so that whenever Luna comes, the character remains same. Secondly, I will be giving this image and I will keep it strong near about 50%. Then you can go to generate. Look at this. These images are very similar to the previous one. You can see on the screen. In step 3, we will be creating the video out of these images. For this, we will be using app.RunwayML.com. I will be giving the link in the description. Now, once you get into it, go to this Gen 2 option. We will go to upload files option and upload all the images which you want to animate. And then you come here and increase or decrease the motion. I think 5 to 7 is a good motion. Next, if you want to change the camera angle or timing, you can do that. So once I am in the motion control, just click on this brush and you don't have to be precise, just brush over the object which you want to move. Now once this is done, just adjust the proximity, vertical and horizontal movement. Then save it. Once this is done, go to this generate option and let it generate the video. Now one drawback is it can only generate 4-second videos for free option. Therefore, in the next step, when we will be editing this video, I am going to show you how you can extend. So this is how my video is looking now. So if you are okay with it, then you can go ahead and download it from here in your desktop. I will upload. You can go to select from assets option. I will be uploading this voice image as well. Open it. Now this time I will not be choosing the part which I want to move. I will just by default go for generate, simply generate it. Pretty good, right? So if you like this, then you can go for download option. Ready? Let us go to make the lip sync for each video or each character. So for this, I will go to lalamove.studio. I'll be leaving this link in the description. Once you get in, go to let's start. So first we will be uploading the video. So go to this upload video option, this video, and open it. So in Lalamove, once you upload it, just select it from here, and from here go to this add new audio option. There are two options. Either you can paste the script here and choose the voice from here, and then you can choose emotions from here. What I feel is the best option is upload your audio. But this toggle should be, once you upload or your audio is generated, it should appear in this choose audio option. So you will have to choose that particular audio you want to do lip sync and generate lip sync. And it will take a little while to generate the lip sync, and we'll have to wait for a while. Now right click and save the video as. Go to this option and it will be saved in your laptop. So we are done with our lip sync. Now we need the background sound for the storytelling. So for that, I'll be using one text-to-speech or TTS software, which apparently comes free, which is 11labs.io. I'll be leaving this link in the description again. So all you need to do is paste your scene by scene dialog. Then from here, you will have to choose the voice artist. So I'll be choosing Bella. You can do further settings from here, but I will stick to the default. And then go to generate. Once it is generated, go at the downwards this arrow and download it in your laptop. Like this, you will have to download all the audio scene by scene. Now before we go to the next part to edit the final video, we need to enhance few of our video clips. See, this is quite bloody, right? So I don't want that. Therefore, I need to enhance this video. So for this, we will be going to VAGPE.ai. I will be leaving this website's link in the description, and go for try it for free option. And then you can upload one file at a time here. And once it is dragged and dropped, it will automatically enhance the video like this. Just check. This is a lot better. And you can download the full HD, but for that you need to sign up. So it is just getting the video ready. Click on this in order to download and just check how the video has come out.
Look, my little brother. All my animals are talking in our language, and they also understand my language. This is happening first time in world. How has it happened? Look, my little brother. All my animals are talking in our language, and they also understand my language. This is happening first time in world. How has it happened?
So like this, you can enhance any audio, any video. So in this step, we are going to edit the final video. Now we will open Filmora 12 and go to new projects. From here, go to import option, go to import folder and select the respective folder. So I have got all my videos here. Now one by one, scene by scene, because I have renamed, so I can drag and drop the scenes. This is scene number 1. So drag and drop scene number 1. Okay, and then audio. Audio for scene 1 is this one. So drag and drop it here. Now this is just 4 seconds long video, right? So what I will do, I will simply copy this and drag this playhead at the end and then simply paste it. Now I will double click on this, go to speed and go to reverse speed. Okay, reverse speed means wherever this clip will finish, this clip will start from there. Okay, so this is how you can double click and reverse the speed in order to reverse it. So here some more is left. So therefore I will be adding some more videos. Now in between scenes you can add transition. For that you can go to this transition option in order to get different transitions. The transition option in order to give a transition in between two clips. You see, if I give this zoom out transition.
See the goose. See the goose.
Okay, so I hope you understood the difference. Here we are giving a kind of glue or a kind of transition shift from one scene to another. Now another thing I want to show you, that is effects. So you can go to effect and then you go to these free effects, or else you can give here star effect. See, this one I was talking about. If you drag and drop it here, you double click and reduce the opacity a little bit. Now you see how nice it is looking. So like this you can check different type of effect. This effect is also very nice. This is a snowfall effect. So to give these effects, and then once you are happy with everything, you can go to this export button, change the name, choose the directory, make the higher selected, and then export it. This is how you can edit the video. Now only last one part is left, where we would be requiring to give a subtitle here. So let us move forward to create a free subtitle. Now for creating the subtitle, we are going to use the software named VAGPE. But the issue is, if you are using a free version of this software, you will end up getting a watermark. Since we want to avoid that, we will be doing a trick. All I need to do is go to this media option. So we have got so many green color streams. So I will need this one. Okay. So I will just drag and drop it here in the timeline and expand it. Now upload the exported version of your video. So after uploading, you need to drag it but below this green screen. Okay. Now just reduce it. Now right click and detach audio. What will happen? The audio will be detached and we will just get rid of this. Now in a while you will understand why am I doing all this. So I got a green screen and see,
In a quaint village.
right? Now export this green screen and audio together. Here you'll have to select MP4, select the directory and export it. Now head back to vid.io, open it and then upload the file. Once it is uploaded, go to this subtitle option from left to fifth option and select auto subtitle. Select the English, the language which you want the subtitle in, and then continue. It will generate the subtitle in a while. See, our subtitle is ready. Now if you want to change any part of it, then you can change it here. Just check once. If everything seems alright, you can select a particular style from here. There are so many different styles. If you go this way, you will get different styles. So pick the right one. You can do other modifications from here. Once everything is okay, then go to this done button and then go to this download option. Now head back to your video editor. I have used Filmora. So just drag the main video on the timeline and import the green screen video which we have just downloaded. Now go to this corner and add a video track. Now you just drag and drop this green screen option. All you need to do is right click and detach audio and just select the audio and delete it. Because otherwise what will happen? The audio will be duplicated because the main original video has got an audio as well as this. Now double click on this, go to video option, AI tools option and chroma key on. And now right click, crop and zoom, go to this drop down option and go to custom and reduce it, size and apply. Now just bring it downward, and after all this is the final project.
In a quaint village, young Lona and her brother Jorge lived on a small farm with cherished animals. Lola the cow, Brownie the dog, Henny the hen, and Goosey the goose. Lona expressed her deep desire to communicate with her beloved farm animals. That night, she shared her wish with Jorge, who took it to heart and decided to make it come true.
God, make some miracle so that my sister's wish comes true tomorrow morning.
Driven by pure conviction, Jorge prayed to God with an open heart, earnestly asking for a miracle to fulfill Lona's wish. His belief in the power of prayer and the strength of his conviction was unwavering.
Look, my little brother, all my animals are talking in our language, and they also understand my language. This is happening first time in world. How has it happened? Lona shared her joyous discovery with Jorge, who revealed the secret behind the miracle. His sincere prayer filled with belief and conviction. Word spread globally about these two siblings and their extraordinary experience, turning them into messengers of the power of self-belief and manifestation in our lives.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.